nag-iisa, Pinky Amador!
Actually, pinag-usapan namin na maigi yung look. Soraya has to look very different from Moira. And Moira, as you know, had so many changes. Diba? Naging Morgana Go, naging tapos paiba-iba siya ng hairstyle, paiba-iba ng fashion sense, gano'n. So, Soraya had to really stand out. Pinag-usapan namin yung physicality, yung voice. Binabaan ko yung boses ko for Soraya.
Tingin nga, mapadinig ka?
Much lower like this.
Much
lower, oo. Ayoko ng kaaway. Ang gusto ko, sumunod ka sa akin.
Gusto mo patay?
Oo.
Okay. When was the last time you felt away?
Tagal.
Matagal.
Tagal.
And that's a choice kasi.
I'm not closing the door, but I found myself happy by myself, which I think is important before getting into a relationship.
What's good about it? And what's not good about it?
What's good about it is that you're not answering to anyone. You have freedom talaga, di ba? Hindi ka na kailangan magpaalam, di ba? Ang mahirap doon is yung, syempre, very basic questions like mortality. Di ba? Mortality, parang may mag-aalaga ba sa akin pagtanda ko, gano'n, may hahawak ba ng kamay ko, may bed, di ba nga morbid, di ba? Pero, I guess yun yung pinakagrabe.
Moira o Soraya?
Soraya.
Mataray maamo.
Mataray.
Maldita maarte.
Maldita.
Funky Pinky.
Funky.
Craziest thing you did noong kabataan mo?
Stalk someone.
Sexiest thing you did to a man?
Did the dance.
Okay.
Dance lang.
Oo, hindi depende. Mag-post ng nude.
Nagawa ko na.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
All in that. Sino ang pinakamahirap na na-interview mo in all your years as a host? Ayan, maraming kayong aabangan mula kay Soraya Sharma sa Binibining Marikit dahil para siyang Moira pero times 10. Okay? She's the real legit mafia boss. Kaya kahit ano gagawin niya. Ay, sobrang saya. I'm super excited and super honored na naalala niyo ako. Thank you always for the opportunity.